Lamborghini introduces Falco, the helicopter of the future. Italian luxury car manufacturers Lamborghini decided to try their hands in flights. Not a private jet, as many would expect, but by crafting an equally luxurious helicopter. The fancy flight looks something out of a sci-fi movie, thanks to its masterfully crafted bodywork and to die-for engineering work. Thanks to the super attractive Lamborghini Falco helicopter, the futuristic machine design created enough space in it to house a pilot, a co-pilot, and 9 passengers. According to the engineers tasked with executing this project, the Falco would be capable of high cruise speeds, thanks to its aerodynamic designs. Its interior, however, is still a work under progress. Falco, by the way, is a fitting name for such a machine, as it translates directly to hawk. And as much as flight enthusiasts can't wait for this model to hit the market, it remains a thing of the future, for it is purely hypothetical at the moment. The brains behind this awe-inspiring beast are 1. Thomas Sumalikai Ariga,